back's. You hear that? Crack my back. See if you can hear what's going on with my back right now. Get all the tight knots out. Oh. Feel better, baby. So you gotta do sometimes just loosen up the back a little. Relax the knots out. Normally I let the masseuse do it, but I woke up, my back was just so tight. Much better.